Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to learn how to add a header to your blog feed. Here's how you can do it. Open your site on the Wix editor. Go to Pages into menu on the left, go to Blog Pages, and select your blog. Click on your blog page element, and then click the plugin button, this one. Look for the category header option, which looks like this, and when you hover over it, you should see an Add button. Click on the Add button to add it. In my case, it's already been added, so it shows here that it's already been installed. To view it, click on this three-dot button here and click on Show on Page. And here it is. If you click somewhere over here at the top, you should successfully select your blog category header. If you want to customize it, you can use the tools that are here on the floating menu, such as to change its layout, add elements, change preset, customize its design, and add animation effects. So feel free to customize your blog header however you want to. Once you're done, you can either save or publish your site for your changes to reflect on your live site as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.